99% of students do get this wrong whenever a question like this is being given in mathematical induction. And we're going to be correcting that right now. So let's go. We have a question that says 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2n minus 1 is equals to what? N squared. So whenever you have a question like this in mathematical induction, you first of all need to understand the concept of what the topic. So mathematical induction is all about you proving mathematical statements, if they are true or if they are not. So now, this statement that is here, we are going to be proving it if it's true or if it's not. So now, when you are solving for mathematical induction, it has 3 steps, which firstly, we have the basic step, the induction step, then we have what? Our final step. So these are the 3 steps that we are going to be taking to solve this question. So let's start with what? The basic step. So now, the basic step we are going to be saying, let my n be equals to what? 1. So now, whenever you are solving for this basic step, you say let my n be equals to what? 1. So now, you are going to be bringing out the value here, which this is what? The left-hand side. So you are going to be saying my left-hand side is equals to 2n minus 1. So since the value of n is 1, I'm going to be inputting 1 here. So I'm going to be having 2 brackets 1 minus 1. So it's going to give me 2 minus 1, which is going to be what? 1. Right? So now we are going to do for what? The right hand side. And right hand side is equals to what? N squared. So since my n here is 1, 1 square is going to still give me what? 1. So if you look at what you observe here, right hand side is equals to what? Left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So for the first term, it is what? Balance. So now let's continue. So we are finished with the basic step. Let's go to what? The second step, which is what? The induction step. So follow me. Let's go. So now, the second step, we are going to be saying, let n be equals to what? K. So now, since n is equals to k, you are going to be bringing everything we have here down. So we are going to be having 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus plus my brackets 2. Then my n here is now what? K. I'm going to be having k minus 1 is equals to k squared. So this is what? The induction step. So in your induction step, you assume that what you have done is what? Correct. Now, I said what? For the induction step, you assume that what you have done is what? Correct. So that's when we are going to be going to what? The third step. So now we're talking about what? The third step. So what you are going to be doing in the third step is that we are going to be bringing out everything here. And for the third step, you are going to be saying, let my n be equals to k plus what? 1. So this is what we are going to be doing. So from this place, we are going to say, let's bring out what we have here. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus plus 2. Now, from what I said, I say what? Let me bring down what? Everything that is what? Here. And now we say our n is then equals to what? K plus 1. So in this place, we are going to be having, first of all, we'll bring down everything here. So 2k minus 1. Then from this place, we are going to now put the value of this. We are going to add it. So firstly, you bring everything you have here down. Then you are going to now what? Do this. That's when you now input this. So from here, you are going to be saying our 2 in the brackets. 2 brackets. We have what? Our n as what? K plus what? 1 minus 1. I'm going to what? Cover our bracket is equals to what? Now, my n is then what? K plus 1 all squared. So that's for what? The third step. So what I'm going to be doing here is that if you look at everything we have here, everything here is everything that we have what? Here. And since everything we have here is equals to k squared, I can then replace everything here with what? My k squared. So for me, I'm going my k squared plus, I have 2 brackets k plus 1 minus 1 is equals to k k plus 1 all square. So now let's continue from this place. So from this place, we are going to be what? Opening this bracket. So we have k square plus, this time this is going to give me 2k plus, this time this is going to give me what? 2 minus 1 is equals to what? Now let me open this bracket. This thing here means k plus 1 bracket k plus 1. So that's what this means. So from there, we are going to be saying our k square plus what? My 2k, this times minus this is going to give me what? Plus 1 is then equals to what? From this place, I will expand this, which is what? My k bracket k plus 1 bracket k plus 1. I hope you understand this. I use this to multiply everything here, and I use this to what? Multiply everything there also. So from this place, I will have my k square plus, I can then bring everything here out of the bracket, 2k plus what? 1 is then equals to, this time this is going to give me my k square plus, this time this is going to give me k plus, this time this is going to give me k plus what? 1. So from this place, I'm going to be saying my k square plus 2k plus 1 is then equals to k square plus k, which is what? 2k plus what? 1. So now if you look at the both sides, k square plus 2k plus 1, k square plus 2k plus what? 1. So what do you notice from what we finished solving in this third one? The both sides are what? Correct. So from this place, what you are now going to be writing as your answer is that, from here, what you are going to be saying is that, you're going to be saying, therefore, your what? Your left hand side is equals to what? The right hand side. So the what? Mathematical statement is true or correct. So that's how to solve a question like this. Whenever you see questions like this in mathematical induction and you are asked to what? Prove if it is what? True or if it's what? Wrong. These are the steps you are going to be what? Following. So let me do a quick recap of what I've said. Firstly, I say you're going to follow the basic step, which is you making your n to be equals to 1. Then secondly, you're going to follow the induction step, which is you making your n to be equals to what? K. Then you're going to follow the final step, which is you making your what? Your n to be equals to what? K plus what? 1. So these are the steps you're going to be following whenever you are solving questions in mathematical induction. If this video have helped you, or if maybe you have gotten a tip from this video, and or maybe you have any question per se you want us to answer for you, or there's a particular video you want me to do particularly for you, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section. Even if there's nothing for you to write about, maybe just good in the comment section will be okay for us, just to keep on giving us encouragement, you understand? And don't forget to like this video, share to your friends that would like to get knowledge of this. We also have other videos on complex number, sort, set. You can go and watch those other videos, so it's going to give you a background knowledge of how to solve questions of those sorts. So that's that for that. And remember, this is Azel Mentories, and I remain